Indonesia's nickel industry has come under the spotlight, where many citizens have raised concerns about the government favoring it over other industry like tourism. Here, we try to take a look at both industries in terms of their contributions to the Indonesian economy. Through Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources regulation, the government prohibits nickel ore exports as raw materials starting in 2019. The aim was to boost downstream processing, attract foreign investment, and increase value-added exports and growth. Meanwhile, the tourism industry has always been one of the drivers of regional economic growth. However, it was severely affected by the pandemic that led to a near-total shutdown for 2 years. While it has begun to recover as visitors return, the sector remains overly reliant on Bali, which is now facing over-tourism. In 2017, the average monthly Indonesian nickel export was at $52 million, while it was $316 million for iron and steel. After the 2019 nickel ore regulation, these exports began to accelerate as producers started to sell value-added products. By 2024, the average monthly export values surged dramatically to $2.2 billion for iron and steel and $665 million for nickel. Meanwhile, the tourism industry saw foreign exchange income rebounding from $500 million in 2021 to $6.8 billion in 2022, then rising to $14 billion in 2023 and $16.7 billion in 2024. In 2017, foreign direct investment in base metal industry, including nickel downstreaming, was at $2.9 billion versus $1.1 billion for hotel and restaurant industry, which are proxies for tourism. Afterwards, base metal foreign direct investment accelerated to $3.5 billion in 2019 and has been increasing persistently to reach $11.8 billion in 2023 and $13.5 billion in 2024. Despite the substantial influx of capital inflow into the downstreaming industries, employment has remained modest. Employment in this industry is relatively lower, with approximately 118,000 headcounts in 2024. Conversely, the tourism industry continues to serve as a vital source of employment, where the government estimated that were around 25 million workers in 2024. Ultimately, both industries clearly offer strategic importance, but their effects are vastly different. The challenge for the Indonesian government lies in balancing a path that maximizes economic benefit without compromising long-term national interests.